We're going to
Queenstown. Hello guys, we're going to the South Island.
Hello guys, we're going to Peppa Pig's house.
No.
Where are you going?
Going into town. Going into town.
Hi, Leah. Say hi.
Hello guys, we were now on the way to the South Island. Having fun? Yes. Everyone, say subscribe. Say subscribe. Subscribe.
Touchdown, Christchurch. Hi guys, we're in Christchurch now and we're gonna pick up our rental car.
Yes.
Yes. So we rented a car, 7-seater na Toyota Highlander from Rad Car Hire and Rentals. May sarili silang shuttle and susunduin nila kami dito sa Christchurch Airport papunta sa kanilang depot at doon namin kukunin yung kotse. Dito na tayo yung sundo namin. Let's go. Go inside.
Kami man sa Rojas dapat mo.
Girl, are you alright?
Are you okay there? Nice tayo. Kasi ka ng driver.
So we're on the way to the depot para kunin yung Mercedes-Benz. This is not our car. Our car is an SUV. So namin yung rental car namin and eto siya. Toyota 2002 Toyota Highlander na hybrid. Wow. You ready? Let's go. Alright, let's go.
We're on our way to Lake Tekapo.
What's up guys? Punta na kami sa first destination namin sa Lake Tekapo. It's gonna be a 3 hours drive, so enjoy the view.
We are going to be here in the South Island for 6 days. At sa Queenstown talaga kami magbe-base. Then we will just visit those tourist spot attractions nearby. Yung iba, we will just stop over them on the way sa Queenstown kasi madadaanan naman namin.
Stop over muna kami sa Ocosinto banda basta sa Scenic Lookout. Dapat mag-stop over talaga kapag Scenic Lookout para ma-maximize mo yung view. Tingnan yung view, look. Oh. Pero ang lamig. Smile. Pose. Say, welcome to Mackenzie region.
Christchurch to Queenstown alone is around 6 hours drive. Medyo matagal yung biyahe kaya we decided to stop over Lake Tekapo and spend our first night there. Afternoon na din kasi kami dumating sa Christchurch, so gagabihin talaga kami sa daan kung dediretso kami sa Queenstown. So for safety reasons, the following day na lang kami tutuloy. At least makapagpahinga yung mga bata sa travel and at the same time, we will enjoy the magical views that Lake Tekapo has to offer.
Alright, we have arrived. Dito na kami sa Lake's Edge, Tekapo. Check-in muna kami. Tapos na kami mag-check-in and we're going to our back batch. Dito kami. So it's lakefront. Let's go.
Our spot was like there before.
Naogpat. Oh, bunny. Bunny, where's bunny? There. Pero, bang na to? Here. It's time to unpack. It's time to unpack. Thank you. Batch or back? It's a batch. Wow. room tour.
Room tour.
Oh, ito yung sala. Lounge. With TV.
With Wi-Fi.
With Wi-Fi. May sarili kaming Wi-Fi. May dining area.
And then craft.
Fridge.
With nothing.
And may kitchen na. Kitchen. Pwede ka na magluto dito.
And then bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2.
So, bedroom number 1. It's four bunk beds. Yan. And then, bedroom number 2 is a double bed. Ay, a queen bed pala. Queen bed. Tapos, dito overlooking siya sa sa lake.
Wow! Sa Lakotupo!
And then, bedroom 3.
Lava!
Ito yung bedroom 3. Dalawang, isang bunk bed. And then, what's this? Ay, toilet. Toilet. And then, shower. Yan, shower. Peace. Do you like this, Ria?
I love it. It's so nice and cozy.
So, we're gonna be staying here for one night. And then, bukas, diretso na kami ng Queenstown bukas. One night. Dito muna kami magsistay kasi mahaba-habang biyahe pa Queenstown at medyo, madilim na. Kaya, hindi na safe sa daan. So, we're gonna stay here overnight. And then, tomorrow morning, after mga 10 o'clock siguro or 12, we'll go to Queenstown. Mag-unpack muna kami. And then, we're gonna explore the town.
Welcome to Lake Tekapo.
Then, okay, let's go.
Where?
Kumalit na tag para sa gano'n. Ipagkapaway ta. Sa'yo.
Yeah, magluto ka ba?
Of course.
Magluto ka sayang ang kitchen.
Alright, so tapos na kaming mag-unpack na mga gamit. And then, we're gonna go sa town nila para mag-grocery ng aming dinner. Kasi dito lang kami kakain sa accommodation namin. Tas magluluto lang kami kasi may kitchen naman. Para naman makatipid, tsaka ma-take advantage namin yung amenities. Amenities! Alright, andito kami sa Foursquare. What's gonna be our dinner? Steak and pasta or Pinoy? Hala. Oh no, he found a gem. Oh no. Oh no.
Bring this back.
Uy, di na ni mo madala sa Toranga.
Wait, pwede ko. I'll bring this back to Tauranga. We will buy. Kaya ko pa ba ni...
Tankiri?
I think we're supposed to buy these.
Ikaw, bala ka. Oh, steak na lang.
Chicken and noodle soup.
I'll get it. Here's the bacon for breakfast tomorrow. Milk. Akala ko dinner lang. Parang 1 week grocery na pala. Ikaw, mabayad ba? Ikaw bayad? Ha? Wow, thank you! Wow, look at that, Leah. What a nice view. Right, tapos na kami mag-grocery. It's time to go back.
What's the menu for tonight?
Steak and pizza and mashed potato and soup, vegetables.
Oh, can't wait.
Kali, what can you say about our accommodation?
I like the strawberry.
You like the strawberry? Our accommodation ba? This room. What can you say?
I like this hotel.
You like this hotel? How about you, Kuya?
I would say the nature is the best.
Huh?
I would say the nature.
Nature is the best. How about you, Leah? How about you, Leah? Do you like this hotel?
Okay. While the chef is busy, the kids plus mama are going to play
Jenga, Jenga, Jenga. Come on, Aliyah, sit down. Okay, well, Kuya is very busy. Very busy with his Roblox.
Oh no!
Alright. Where is the nice view? There you go. Alright, Jenga girl, come on, girl. You sit here. Alright, ready, Jenga boy and Jenga girl? Alright, first one is Aliyah. Aliyah's turn.
And are these pets spiky or fluffy? Fluffy, pointy end. Look closely. Are there more spiky?
Jenga, 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 Jenga.
Let's do it again. The troll has
Say Jenga, Jenga, Jenga to the camera. Jenga, 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 Jenga.
fly. Troll. Bye-bye.
Ano na inuulap?
Biro ka. For more
Energy.
energy. Love. More energy. More activities.
Okay, Leah, come on.
Alright. Bon appetit. Let's eat. Soup,
Pinoy kami.
steak, broccoli, pizza, mashed potato, and of course, rice. Kakain muna kami. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner. We're gonna go to sleep na. Boys, are you ready? Yeah.
Be quiet, Leah is asleep.
Oh, the kids are excited kasi sa top bunk sila sa bunk bed matutulog. You're not excited? Oh, where are we going tomorrow? Why are you gonna sleep early? We're gonna have a what? What's our activity for tomorrow?
Gonna walk 500 kilometers.
What's our kid activity, Kaliboy?
Robin.
Feed rabbits!
Kali, I'll make your bed on the other side, okay?
Okay, so matutulog na kami and then we will have a long walk tomorrow in Mount Cook. See you tomorrow. Bye.
I'm sleeping down there.
Good night. Say good night na.
Bye.
Good night na. Bye. Kali.
I'm free tonight.
Kali.
Daddy,
Say bye-bye.
Say bye. Good night.
I can...
Bye, Leah. Say bye. Good night.
Like kiss, Leah.
Bye-bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.